Hello everyone. In today's class, we are going to discuss the types of data analytics. This is one of the most important topic because exam paper often asks the question like explain different types of data analytics with example. So let's learn in details. Data analytics can be divided into four main types. First one, descriptive analytics. Second, diagnostic analytics. Third, predictive analytics. And fourth, prescriptive analytics. Each type has a different purpose. Some explain the past, some analyze the reasons, some predict the future, and some suggest the actions. Let's look at them one by one. In next slide, so first type is descriptive analytics. So it answers the question what happened. It focuses on the past data and present it in an easy to understand way like reports, charts and the dashboards. For example, a company prepares a sales report showing total sales in the last 3 months. Next, that is second type is diagnostic analytics. So it answers the question why did it happen. So it find the root cause of a problem using the techniques like data drill down, correlations and data mining. Example is that if sales drop in April, diagnostic analytics checks reasons like customer complaints, higher prices or competitor offers. Next slide, that is third type is predictive analytics. So it answers the question what might happen in the future. So it uses the statistical models, historical data and machine learning to make the prediction. For example, an e-commerce website predicting which product will sell more during the festive season. Next type, that is fourth type, prescriptive analytics. So in the fourth type, it answers the question like what should we do? So it suggests the best possible actions or solution by using the optimization and simulation techniques. Example is that a food delivery app uses the predictive analytics to decide whether to give discounts or add more delivery partners to improve the services. So this is the table shows a quick comparison of all the four types. It is very useful to write in your exam as it makes your answer more structured and easy to understand. So here type of data analytics is there, what question answered for this type and the example of the data analytics. So to summarize all the types, descriptive explains the past, diagnostic finds the reasons, predictive forecasts the future, and prescriptive suggests the best action. So together these four types gives organization a complete picture of their data. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you now clearly understand the types of data analytics. If this video helped you for your studies and exam preparation, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.